Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to my channel once again. So today I will be talking about my newly bought pressure washer. So this I had recently bought it mainly for my car. As the main reason I went for purchasing this is because it really is very tedious when it comes to washing my car. So that's the reason I had opted for this. And before we go into like how to use this, so I will just be giving you a glance of this specific tech. And this I ordered online from their portal itself. So before making the purchase, I just had like few questions regarding their from the I just contacted their customer center and asked my questions and got it clarified. So this is basically they are located in Pune, and very quick, and they were very apt with their response. So what I came to know is that they do not have since I'm from Coimbatore, and they did not have any particular service center here. But if at all there are some problems that would occur in the future, they said that it can be easily addressed. Like most of the spare parts is available around the shops in Coimbatore itself. And if there is any major problem, we have to just courier this to them, and they will once again send that back. And also they said that the charges, one time it would be like we would be handling the expense, and for the other time they would be maybe while sending back, they will be taking care of the expense. So this is what I got to know from them, and it has a warranty of I think 2 years if I'm right. Okay, so going in, I will just be taking you through the specifications of this particular pressure washer. So you could see that it has a power of 1700 watts, and the maximum pressure is 135 bar pressure. And coming to the cost of this particular pressure washer, it is really cheap when compared to the other pressure washer that are present online or outside the store. So I had some options in my mind. I researched through a lot of pressure washer, and I found that this was the most best reviewed and very cheap when compared to the others. So preferably I thought of going for a Bosch Aquatech water pressure, but comparatively that was very huge in cost, and even the pressure was offered, and the specifications were quite low when compared to this. So I think the Bosch pressure washer, which has around 120 bar pressure, that itself came around some 10,500 rupees, even after some discount and all. So I really felt that is quite high, whereas when you see this costed me only 8,000 rupees at this specific rating. So it is really worth the buy, and I think that if someone is planning to buy any water pressure washer, they should really take this into consideration. Down, over here, that for which applications and all this particular pressure washer can be used. So here it is said that you can use to wash your bicycle, bike, car, and okay, I think this is for bathing purpose. I'm not sure about this. And you can also use it for gardening. So these are the different applications for which you can use this particular pressure washer. And moving on to the sides, so here this is about the instruction on how to set this up. So this I will just show you like how to install this while unboxing this particular pressure washer. So yeah, so I'll just be taking you through these images. So here you can see like it also comes with a shampoo bottle which you can attach it. And yeah, so that is one thing. And this also I said that it must be I just got to know from them like if this is included within the package itself. So this comes, whereas if you see some other pressure washer, mostly they don't have this particular shampoo bottle, and you might need to purchase it separately. So that is one thing I also liked about this particular pressure washer. Okay, so that's it then. I will just be unboxing this now. and showing you like how this. So I think so first thing, this is an hose, and it is connected with a filter, and I think this is another hose which needs to be connected at the bottom of this particular tank which you see it. And further, this is an extended nozzle that will be connected to the main gun. And yeah, this is the main gun which you can see it. So here it has some features. I'm still not sure like how to use it, but yeah, so moving forward we will be also getting to know like how this works. And this is the shampoo bottle that can be connected to the gun, I believe. And further, okay, this might be a little bit heavy. So this is the main item. Okay, I'm not able to take it out. So this is the tank. Oh. Okay, before that I will take this out. So this is basically for the trolley. So I think these are the plastic tires, and okay, I think this is something that needs to be connected to the nozzle. Okay, so we'll see about that. A glance of all the particular items that is present inside or that is included with this pressure washer. So you can see it. This is the hose, that is the shampoo bottle, this is the gun, these are the trolley tires, and okay, this contains the nozzle and other stuffs. This is the main gun, and that is an inlet that would be connected to the tank. So just see that all these are included for you as well when you're purchasing this particular we will be installing all these by seeing the manual. We will be installing it, and I will be explaining you further on how this works. Okay guys, so the setup is ready. So I will just be explaining you like how it has been installed. So you will be having this particular connector, and here it is basically a screw type. So this has to be connected over here, and at the other end if you see it is connected to the gun's inlet. And here again the shampoo bottle has been connected. So either you can connect this shampoo bottle, or on the other hand you have this main nozzle. So based on your purpose you can connect either of these. And the next thing is further, if you see here the wiring has been connected to this port back here. Further then again you have this this is a cap, this is a cup holder to basically so once it has two cups. So one is mainly to place the gun, and the other side it is basically to encircle it with this particular wire which has been given. And further here so you have another nozzle here, and this is the main hose. This hose will be directly connected. You can either put the filter inside this particular bucket along with the water, or on the other hand you also have another cup connector, the extra provision which has been given. So here what you have to do, this part you have to connect your hose from this, and this part will be going directly inside this the backside of this particular pressure washer. So from here you have to extend the hose, and you should connect it to the tap if you want to directly use this. So that's it. Then now I will be like explaining you showing you like how this works. Let's jump into the video. So yeah, guys, like how this has become very handy for us, and it really solves the purpose of using this pressure washer. And because earlier, if you see, I used to take at least some 2 hours to completely wash this car, and it is not possible to wash under the hood this particular alloys and all. So now it has been really helpful, and it reduces your effort and time to a very great extent. So you can it completely washes off and removes all the dirt even under this tires and all, and it really solves the purpose. I hope that you really enjoyed this video. If you really liked it, give it a thumbs up and share it to your friends as well. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe it, and let me know like what went well in the video and what went wrong. If you have any other clarifications regarding this particular pressure washer, please post your comments or questions in the comment section below, and I will also be sharing out the link to purchase this particular pressure washer. It is also available in Amazon, so I will be sharing you both the links, like the portal of this particular pressure washer itself and the Amazon link itself. If you have any other clarifications, or if you want me to post any other video, please let me know, and your feedback is very important to me. So yeah, and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in another video.